Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Arrange a dedicated study space free of visual clutter and with good lighting. Clear the desk to 1 or 2 necessary items only. Set a 25-minute Pomodoro timer for focused study sessions. Plan your session for 15 minutes before starting with specific goals and tasks so every minute has purpose. Keep your phone on Do Not Disturb and place it face down out of reach, and close unrelated tabs on your computer. Start immediately when the timer begins and treat that block as non-negotiable work time. Prioritize active techniques over passive review. Write questions, self-test, and practice retrieval under mild pressure. Use active recall by testing yourself with questions rather than rereading notes, and correct mistakes immediately to reinforce learning. Use spaced repetition with intervals increasing over days for durable memory. Schedule reviews at 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, and 1 month. Summarize concepts in your own words and teach them aloud for 5 minutes to expose gaps. Then refine your notes and repeat the cycle. Before you begin, identify your top 3 distractions and create simple barriers like sight blockers, headphones, or an accountability partner. Identify top 3 distractions and create barriers to them before study so interruptions are less likely to occur. Schedule 5-minute breaks after each 25-minute session and a 30-minute break after 4 cycles to avoid burnout and preserve focus. Track progress weekly and reward consistency with a small treat or rest day, gradually building study habits into a sustainable routine that respects sleep and nutrition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.